What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ways to wear a Dutch braid. Really exciting because once you got to go back to work, you're definitely going to want some quick, easy, cute hairstyles, okay? So keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and also ring that bell. Ring that bell, okay? Because you're never going to want to miss an upload. I got some really important, exciting things in store for my tailor gang. Okay, so as you see, I'm parting my hair to the side, and you can tell I don't usually part my hair to the side, and then all the way to behind my ear. Then what I'm going to do is clip that hair, the rest of that hair away, so it's out of my way. Then I will start with my subsection and create 3 even subsections and start braiding. I like to cross the outer pieces over and then add in my hair. Some people like to do it the opposite way. It's really just up to you. So yeah, I will continue to do that all the way down my head past my ear, and then I'll add in like a few stitches past my ear. Okay, so now I'm just spraying with some texture spray before I zhuzh my braid to make it look thicker, since I do have thinner hair. And this is me pancaking or zhuzhing. Then I will pin the braid in the back of my head with a bobby pin, and you could wear your hair up or you could wear it down. I will show a photo of me with it down. Okay, so now for the second braid, just going to do the same thing. The only difference is we're going to want to angle this braid back so that we could put it into our messy bun. Also, a good thing to note is to not pull too much hair from the back, otherwise you'll kind of get this bump, if bubble. So I kind of stop adding in hair around the ear. Okay, and right about here is where I stop and just start braiding all the way down so that it's easier to kind of deal with. Again, I'm gonna start zhuzhing the braid a little bit, just because it's fun. I like it like that. Then I'm going to put the elastic tie on the end and kind of just let that hang out while I put my hair in a bun. And I did kind of skip, but now you can see how cute this look is. Okay, for braid number 3, I'm doing the exact same thing. This is a total side braid though, so I just want to note that like the last braid, I don't start adding hair from the other side of my head until right about the ear, because if you start adding hair from the other side of your head too soon, you'll create that bubble, and you really don't want that. It's not cute. So, um, I just braid like a normal side braid until I reach about my ear, and then I start adding hair from the back of my head. Then once you get towards the bottom, you just start where you don't have any more hair left, you just start braiding it like a regular 3-strand braid. I actually really love this braid. I haven't worn my hair like this in a really long time, and I need to start because it's so cute and so easy. Okay, so as you can see, I did the same thing you would normally do with any um, Dutch braid on the side of your head, except I just stopped towards the back, and then I'm adding the ponytail. Here, I want to note that you can do your own thing. You could do like buns on the side, a ponytail. I mean, just have fun with it. But this is another really cute look, and honestly, it looks really, really good with braid, or the braids look really, really good with curls like this. Remember what I said about those bubbles? Well, right about here, I noticed I did that. So there's just an example of not pulling too much hair from the backside too soon and what it'll look like. And you could just put a bobby pin like I did though. But here's the end result. Super cute. Braid number 5. So this is going to be a half up, half down bun. I am braiding straight back. This is kind of a different hand technique that you'll have to practice. I still have to practice it the right way. So what I did was I just parted my hair on the side, like this sides of my temples, and then clipped the rest back so that I would have neat space to work. And then I just, like most of my braids, I braid it all the way until I had, so that it's easier for me to put the ponytail in neater, and it keeps the braid a little bit tighter. So that's what I do here. And then I just, after I put the ponytail in, I will tease my hair a little bit because, again, it's thick, or it's thin, makes it look thicker for the bun. So I tease a little bit, and then I twist my bun and put a bobby pin in. So cute, especially with curls. This look is like one of my favorites for sure. Okay, and the last braid finally. So this is going to be a little bit more of a formal kind of a braid. So what I'm going to do is do more of like a side braid. I'm going to braid my hair to the side, and then I will keep the same principle of not adding too much hair in, but I'll stop a little bit below my ear. Okay, and after I braid this down, I'm going to, I kind of got confused right here a little bit, but that's okay because that will be going in the back. So I braid it all the way down, and then I will put an elastic, zhuzh it a little bit after. And then I'm going to leave that there, and I'll turn around so you guys can see me. I'm going to do a little loop on the side of my head, and then I'm going to take the rest of that hair and tuck it. And then I kind of just pull and take a bobby pin and pull that braid around and stick the bobby pin in. And I think this is a really cute way to wear your hair if you're trying to be a little bit more fancy, but still kind of casual. And you can fancy it up more with curls or whatever you'd like.